how to fix the app permission denied error with maps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Maps app. After click on Map app, so you will see if you want to fix app permission denied error with maps, so go back to home screen and click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Apps. After click on Apps, scroll down and search Map app from here. You will see Maps is here. Click on Permissions. After click on Permission, click on Location. After click on Location, click on Allow only using the app. After click on Allow only using the app, go back and click on Map app. You will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix the app permission denied error with maps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.